Good afternoon, everybody. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm curious to what that noise is. If anybody knows what that is, please let me please comment on my Facebook. And I'm not talking about that bird right there. It's chirping. I'm talking about like that alarm system kind of thing. I'm here in South Brazil, Florianopolis to be exact. Here sun tanning. Hear it? What is that? What is that sound?
It's a bird.
I don't think it's a bird. Maybe it's a bird.
I don't know.
It was over here on this pine tree. And then it flew from there all the way over there. All right. It's December 26, 2017. All right. Anybody knows what that noise is? Let me know. Comment on Facebook, okay? See you later. You hear it? It's beautiful here. Okay. Bye-bye.